Okay, we're gonna put Maze down on the grass. Let's pull his pants down. You keep coming up. Okay.
Just like this?
Yeah. What is that? Let him sit down. What is that? Huh? What is that? What is that, huh? He's like, what? Whoa!
It's like a cat on the floor.
It's like a cat. It's on the floor.
I don't think that was the reaction you wanted.
No, it's a good reaction, I think. He's not crying. He's trying to crawl in it.
Stand up.
Yeah. Look, Daddy's never been in the grass before.
Wow.
This is his first time in the grass.
So this time, this is going down. It says,
Where he going?
I'll call you.
And it's like, come back. He's definitely